Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is the closure I will be using. It's a 4x6 closure. First, you're going to comb back the hairs. Also, I will tag the Instagram of where the hair is from. I am using 40 volume developer and quick blue bleach. You're going to take about 3/4 of the cup of bleach and apply it into the black bowl with about half of a cup of 40 volume developer. I usually just eye it, then I'm going to continue to mix it until all the powder and the developer is mixed well together. Now I'm going to apply the bleach onto my closure. Now I'm just going to show you how it looks when it's already completely applied with bleach. Then I'm going to take my comb just to comb the front of the hairs just to make sure the bleach is only on the lace and not on the hair. Then I'm going to just take the closure and lay it face down with the bleach onto the plastic for about 10 minutes to let it process and bleach the knots. Now I'm just showing you what I use to wash the bleach off with, which is the Shimmer shampoo, purple shampoo. And this is my outcome. This is how your closure will look if you bleach it and follow my steps properly and correctly. Thank you for watching my video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.